Hi, welcome back to a new video. It's your boy Mateo. Over there behind the camera is Victor, and welcome back to Survival Boys. We haven't posted in a while. Yes, I know. Y'all been glazing me saying, Mateo, why'd you not post? Why'd you not post? I was like, you calling Victor too? Why'd you not post? Guys, we've been working. Been a hard day, hard week, hard month. You know, we haven't uploaded in 5 months. I know, I'm sorry guys, but this is right here. It's the firework unboxing video. We're gonna be lighting this bad boy to small to big. The big boy's right here. And it's called the Great Night Firework right here. It's my first time actually buying fireworks. And I got a little scam from my parents, but it was $120. And we're about to fire all these fireworks outside in my front yard. So let's go, y'all.
That's it.
Alright, first one we're gonna start off with this tank right here. And we're gonna be putting it on that ground right there. So all it is dirt. Alright, let's go.
I don't know what this is.
It's a little tank. Alright, now we got these little tiny, whatever they're called. Oh.
Okay. That was pretty cool.
I'm putting two right here. Well, hopefully I can light them together.
It's like a blade.
Oh, the other one's alright?
Okay, so I'm gonna look what else we got.
What's the other one at? Okay, now we're gonna be doing this. It's a fountain right here, golden flower fountain. Let's see what it looks like.
I think it's gonna be big. Grab it. Let's keep that like.
Alright, next one, y'all. We are gonna do this right here called kicks. Oh, you can turn on the other one and put it down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this right here. Next one right here is called kicks right here.
One?
I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't start it out there.
I feel scared for your GoPro.
Oh!
I told you. I felt scared for your GoPro.
Alright, next one we're gonna do this right here. It's another fountain, and it's called Large Friendship. So I'm pretty sure this one might be the biggest one that we did so far.
Yeah. So let's see this one.
Alright, that one was pretty cool, you know. All these bugs right here. This one right here, a Mexican one, it's called 25 shot. I think it says tequila party. Like they got zombies right there. I like this up. This one looks like it's gonna be big.
Should we bring it back then?
Woo! Next one.
It's exploding.
It's called mini cock-a-doodle-doo.
Mini cock-a-doodle-doo.
Mini caco. Cucko. And cucko. Alright.
Get that one lighter fast. Smart move, buddy. Okay, I think this is I didn't get on. Cock-a-doodle should do it. See, that one's sleeping. Don't you tweak it.
All right, next one I hear this called Pipsqueak right here. Let's see how pipsqueaky it is. All right.
Go back.
All right, let's see how it goes.
Is it a fountain?
Well, it says pipsqueak. It might shoot something out. Huh? No, nothing's over. Yeah, that. God, it hurt my ears.
Your camera was right there.
Hey, that one is not pipsqueak, right?
Oh, it fell over.
Oh, it fell over?
Yeah.
Oh.
We got jade. It says it's supposed to be a fountain. Okay, we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, okay, let's
See.
Is this fountain?
Okay. Let's go see if it's a fountain.
I bet.
This one, let's see. Okay. Let me go.
That it?
No way.
Looks pretty cool. Look at that.
It's not a fountain.
Alright, this one right here, it is a greeting color. Don't know what that, I don't know what that says right there.
Let me see. I don't know. Crystallite.
Okay, so it's says it's a boomer.
I feel another fountain. Really, dude?
I can't see.
7 shots.
Look how cool that looks. Fireworks look good. What else we got next, Jenny?
We got 7 shots.
Thunder Doom.
That's what I was thinking. Thunder of Doom. That's what we're gonna call it. Get that one out of here. Okay.
That's what it looks like inside. It looks like a whole like revolver.
Yeah.
Let's go, Thunder Doom. Oh.
Let's see, guys. Okay. 7 shots. So let's see what this is. You got it, guys. Oh my god, it's falling. Oh,
That waited till over. Wait till over. Till over.
it did?
Yeah.
No. Oh, you're right. So far, just trying to figure it out. Is that a rock?
This right here will be a status. Oh, it's so hot on the bottom. Let's get
Okay.
it. Alright, we got this right here called package. Well, this is what it looks like inside. Let's go put it over here.
Okay. It smells like smoke all over there. Ooh. Ah, it's another fountain starter.
Yeah, it's just something else. Leaf wet.
Okay.
I like that how that one goes through.
Yeah. I know. Yo, that one was cool.
Holy.
That might be my favorite one so far.
Alright, so Victor's about to get this one. It's called, what is it called?
Frisky Starburst.
Alright, Freaky Starburst. Freaky Starburst. Why is some turning like that? What's right there? Like a circus.
It's on fire. I feel like it is. Because something was supposed to go up, but it didn't.
Alright,
well, let's see which one should we
we
use
still
now.
got the big ones. I think we should go for this one and then go for this one. United States. Yeah. And this one, that's what I can't wait for. Alright, well, let's get this one.
Yep.
Alright, this one right here, guys, is called Mad Max.
Okay. This one looks good.
Watch this boy light. We're gonna get this close. Yeah, we're getting this close. We about to blow up. Okay, hold up. I think this tape's actually gonna stop that from blowing up. Ready?
Look at that one. I'm gonna light it. Oh my god. Where am I going?
Watch out, you're behind.
Look at it, guys.
That it?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Alright. Get super close. Don't be scared. Light it up and let's run.
They can only hit the floor.
Here, record.
Yo. Woo! America! Woo! Oh my god.
Boy, that was good.
That one was good.
That one was
What would you rate it?
amazing. That one? I don't
Yeah.
know if you had if I had a light. Yo, that one? Alright, so y'all, I know y'all can't see me, but Cheyenne says she got one, and I'm about to go get it. You got one, Cheyenne? Yeah. Meet Cheyenne. I know it's bright, Cheyenne, but this one?
Yeah, but just make sure it sits still because it's 20 pops.
Yeah, I know, like the other one right there. I was kind of scared it was gonna fall. Alright, so we got this one. It says 20 loud colors changing buster. Color me America. This one right here. I feel like this one right here is gonna go crazy. Hold up, wait.
Ready?
Born ready. Make sure it don't fall. Beautiful. Oh my days. I heard something fall over there. Oh, the horse going crazy. Last one. Primary artillery shell. Right.
Okay, we're lighting, what's it called?
Primary artillery shell.
Okay, primary artillery shell. Says like a Motar.
Yeah, basically, yeah. 3,
Slow.
2, 1. Rock it. Alright. Okay, ready for about to do one? Artillery shell.
Look at that smoke.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving. It's not flat. I'm gonna put it up here. Put it right here.
Right there?
Yeah. Hey, ready?
Yeah.
Fire to China. Fire! Oh, that one. We're firing too. Are we firing this too? We're gonna find this too. Russia. Russia, you're getting it on, boy. Iran.
Holy clutch.
No, we're gonna shoot this to Iran. Iran.
Okay, let's go. Ooh, I like that one. Even closer. Okay, let's stay here. Let's go.
Beautiful.
Let's go. Another one, another one. Chop, chop.
And now we got the big one called number 5. That's really what it's just called. Number 5, big 5.
Fifth biggest one in the whole state. I mean, whole country.
All right, hold it. Hi, y'all. It's the big one.
Okay, I'm ready to run. I need to get this one. Woo! Woo! Amir's going crazy. Woo! Yo, that one was insane. What would you rate that one?
That one right there was like a 9 out of 10, bro.
Yo.
Hi guys, well this is the end of the video right here, and I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next one. Hope y'all enjoy and have a happy, thanky July 4th. What do you guys say for that? Peace. Really hope y'all enjoyed that video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe as well, hit the notification to update as usual, and I'll see y'all the next time. Bye bye.